Ayan sat on his small balcony, staring at the city lights. His mind was a battlefield, doubts, fears, and worries fought for control. He had lost his job a month ago, and no matter how many applications he sent out, nothing seemed to work. He sighed and whispered to himself, maybe I'm just not good enough. Just then, his grandfather, Dadaji, walked in. He was a wise old man who had seen both good and bad times. He noticed the sadness in Ayan's eyes and sat down beside him. What's troubling you, beta? He asked gently. Ayan hesitated but then spoke honestly. I feel like a failure, Dadaji. I don't know if I can handle this anymore. Dadaji smiled and said, let me tell you a secret, Ayan. Mentally strong people are not born that way. They build their strength through habits. Let me share 5 habits that can help you. Habit number 1, they control their thoughts. Dadaji picked up a glass of water and placed it in front of Ayan. Imagine this glass is your mind, he said. If you fill it with dirty water, it becomes polluted. But if you keep adding clean water, eventually, it becomes pure again. Ayan frowned. What do you mean? Dadaji explained, your mind is like this glass. If you keep feeding it negative thoughts, it will stay filled with fear and doubt. But if you replace those thoughts with positive ones, your mind will become strong. Ayan thought for a moment. So, I should stop thinking, I'm a failure, and start thinking, I'm capable of finding a new job. Exactly. Dadaji nodded. Mentally strong people don't let negative thoughts control them. They choose their thoughts wisely. That night, Ayan made a decision. Every time a negative thought came, he would replace it with a positive one. Habit number 2, they focus on what they can control. The next morning, Ayan was scrolling through job rejection emails when he sighed. I can't do anything about this. It's so frustrating. Dadaji sat beside him and handed him a pencil. Break it, he said. Ayan snapped the pencil in half easily. Then Dadaji handed him a bundle of pencils tied together. Now break this. Ayan tried, but the bundle wouldn't break. Dadaji smiled. A single pencil is weak, but together they are strong. Just like that, mentally strong people don't waste energy on things they can't control. Instead, they focus on what they can control. Ayan nodded. I can't control rejections, but I can improve my skills and keep applying. Exactly, beta, Dadaji said. Worrying about things outside your control only makes you weak. From that day, Ayan stopped stressing over things beyond his power and focused only on his efforts. Habit number 3, they embrace failure as a lesson. A week later, Ayan went for an interview. He was hopeful, but in the end, he didn't get the job. He returned home disappointed. I failed again, he muttered. Dadaji sat beside him. Tell me, Ayan, do you know how a baby learns to walk? Ayan shrugged. By falling and getting up. Exactly. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a step toward success. But Dadaji, it hurts to fail. Dadaji nodded. Of course, it does. But strong people see failure as a lesson, not an ending. What did you learn from today's interview? Ayan thought for a moment. I think I need to improve my communication skills. Then it was not a failure, Dadaji said. It was a lesson. That night, Ayan made a plan to improve his speaking skills. Habit number 4, they take care of their mind and body. One evening, Ayan was lying on the couch, feeling exhausted. He had spent hours applying for jobs online without a break. His body ached, and his mind felt drained. Dadaji walked in with 2 cups of tea. Come with me, he said. They went to the park. The fresh air, the sound of birds, and the laughter of children immediately lifted Ayan's mood. Beta, a strong mind needs a strong body, Dadaji said. You can't think clearly if you are always tired. Take care of your body, exercise, eat well, sleep enough. And take care of your mind, read, relax, and do things you love. Ayan realized that he had been neglecting himself. He decided to exercise daily, eat healthier, and take short breaks while working. Slowly, he started feeling better. His mind felt sharper, and his motivation returned. Habit number 5, they never give up. Months passed, and Ayan still hadn't found his dream job. But something had changed, he was stronger now. He no longer let negativity control him. He focused only on what he could change. He learned from every failure. He took care of his health. One day, he received a call for an interview at a top company. This time, he was confident. He answered every question with clarity and self-belief. A few days later, he received an email, "Congratulations. You have been selected." Tears filled his eyes. He had done it. That evening, he sat with Dadaji and said, "You were right. Strength is not about never falling, it's about never giving up." Dadaji smiled. You have learned the secret of mentally strong people, Beta. Ayan looked at the sunset, feeling proud. He had faced failure, fear, and doubt, but he had come out stronger. And he knew that no matter what life threw at him, he would always rise again. Because now, he was truly mentally strong. Moral of the story, mental strength is not about never failing, it's about never giving up. Life will always bring challenges, but those who control their thoughts, focus on what they can change, learn from failure, take care of themselves, and persist no matter what will always come out stronger. True success comes from resilience, self-belief, and the courage to keep moving forward.